Hi, this is Josh from Tekimo News, and today we're talking about how OSHA has expanded their Severe Violator Program. The Department of Labor is updating the criteria of OSHA's Severe Violator Program, expanding it to include violations of all hazards and standards across all industries. According to OSHA, the updated criteria will include, but not be limited to, employers with at least 2 willful or repeated violations, follow-up inspections made 1 year but longer than 2 years after the final order, the potential removal of the SVEP 3 years after receiving verification of abatement of hazards, allowing employers to reduce their time on the list to 2 years from 3 if they consent to an enhanced settlement agreement. The change will likely impact more fixed worksite industries, such as manufacturing or healthcare, and fewer transient construction job sites, under the purview of smaller contractors. One of the reasons why is because smaller construction businesses are harder to track, collect fines from, and ultimately remove from the SVEP. For industry news, please follow us at Tekimo News, and also check out our other going-ons at Tekimo HD. OSHA, OSHA.